What's up everybody? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Arc board and I'm really excited for this. I've been waiting for a long time. It was shipped from Singapore to Ontario, Canada, and it took about like a week and a half. Little delay here and there, but I'm excited, so let's just get this guy unboxed. My trusty tool. Whoops. Okay, that makes sense. All right, not sure if you can see. Okay, what have you got here? Okay, that was a little challenging. So we got the user manual, pretty cool. Don't ride in the rain. Okay, so I got a little foam here. Wow, this is crazy. So this is the new 2018 version. It's supposed to have 40% more power in the motor. Wow, this thing is small. The smallest board I've ever ridden was the 24-inch. All right, here it is, all black. Okay, pretty heavy. Oh man. Let's get that for the shot there. Okay, so pretty heavy. The trucks are really wide. That's cool. Can I hold it? Can I maul grab it? Yeah, this motor is huge. Single motor. I'm a little worried. I'm a big guy, so I hope it can push me, my fat ass. 70mm wheels, and the most important is 75 durometer. So that means it's like really soft, and but 70mm is pretty small, so I really hope we can go over streetcar tracks and stuff like that. Life is short, made in Singapore, skate hard. Okay, let's put that there for now. Continue. Okay, so here's the remote. Pretty big remote. It's difficult. Yeah, so right off the bat, I think this remote's way too big. That's unfortunate. And you need a screw to open the battery, which is pretty annoying. Yeah, so I was talking to him on Facebook Messenger. I was like, oh, yo, can you throw in something? Like, can you throw in some belts? Give me like, and the guy said, yeah, we'll throw in 3. So 3 extra belts, which is pretty nice. Nice little touch. But that's it. I mean, oh, I got a skate tool. I already have one, but nice to know. Cool. And obviously the battery pack. This one's pretty big as well. North American plug, not 3-prong. That's interesting. Put that there. Box, go there, and that's it. Just styrofoam. Wow, pretty cool. Yeah, shipped from Singapore to Japan, then to Alaska, Anchorage, then to Memphis, Tennessee, then to Mississauga, then to Toronto. I've been tracking on FedEx like every day. I'm like, oh my God, when is it gonna come? Finally came. I do wish Arc board would, give a little more swag, like a t-shirt or a hat, or even like a backpack. A lot of the early Kickstarter people received some cool stuff, and it's nice to, a little thing here and there would be nice. Makes me feel a little happy. But I got a couple extra belts, which is pretty nice. Someone online said that these motors are exposed, and I hope no pebbles go into them. You can see kind of over there. I wonder what the resistance is like. Yeah, there's quite some resistance there. Pull this thing off. See, it's a little heavy. I'll do an official weight test later. So press and hold, 5 dots, and it's 4 out of 5. So always store your lithium batteries at 80% or something like that. You can see there's some riser pads here. They seem pretty flexy, so that's nice. So maybe it gives it a little bit more of softer ride and Seem to put riser pads all over the encasing here, which is really good to prevent the screws from coming out. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this on and then we're gonna see how loud this thing is. Take this guy out. I have no more. I need to buy some more AA batteries here. Okay, so this guy's still on. I think I turned it off. Ooh, I'm scared. All right. Okay, what's on and off? God dang it. Is there a switch here? The fuck? No, it's not blinking. Whoa, Jesus Christ. Let's test this crazy guy out. Sorry, this feels so light. It's amazing. Freaking light. It's like nothing. It's just like a regular skateboard. And let's try it. Whoa. That was bad.